The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of audios that are from one entire video that have been posted on social media. In these pieces of audios, you're going to hear a confrontation between a man, his girlfriend, and his baby mother. Now, I got the understanding that the confrontation is the result of an ongoing feud between the girlfriend and the baby mother. And I also got the understanding that the confrontation happened because one day the man was at a certain location with his baby mother, and the girlfriend somehow found out and went to the same location while the man was there with his baby mother. The confrontation escalated to a point where the girlfriend threw objects allegedly intending to hit the baby mother. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the entire video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers. But I want you to please bear in mind that in these pieces of audios, you're going to hear some very harsh language. So before I present these audios to you, this is a warning that some of the things that you are about to hear in these audios might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of audios. Take a listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Simple fucking answer my place. Disrespectful.
I'm disrespectful?
One store my fucking house. No one scoop up on this.
I don't give a motherfuck.
Okay. So nothing out of disrespect.
I tell you, mash up your fucking glass if you want to go right. No make time for fuck why you fucking do that.
Yeah, I'll tell you, let's move on from my house.
Disrespectful.
My fucking house.
What, me and bitch are fucking trying to you, yeah? Me, now you're fucking getting money, take me like it. You're not standing trip and you want to lie on how I got my face 11 and you're fucking getting my stop blasting me, first.
What? No, that not correct.
That will blast me first.
Girl, you that the one where get, listen to me. Listen to me. You that the one where get on Facebook and want to start blast me because I post more here because. Listen to me. When I post, you know why this one thing start? Because she get vexed. Because I post what thing about. I'm single, but I bend over for time to time for my baby daddy. I could post any meme I want, and she said that I start blast me. So we think I do. I get out and tell the truth. Who lion? Fuck a lion. Me lion? Girl, everybody see everything.
What the fuck happened to you? Please make a cousin look at my house.
Where you go? Where you go?
I look at.
I can't believe you are trying to disrespect fucking me, brother.
If I consider my fucking child about that issue.
You don't tell I'm not fucking you. How about your child?
Yeah, what the fuck wrong with you?
How your child know?
Yeah, look at us.
Because like I tell you, Tana had never ever come to me about this kind of thing.
You said yesterday.
What think my mom?
My baby is registered in James by him. Everybody know that.
I can't. Everybody know that. You see how sick he's sick?
No, I tell you that for day one, but you was blind. No, you know who that my picnic for.
So who asked the DNA, James? Who asked the DNA?
He don't tell me that it doesn't matter.
Me ask for it.
Alright,
me.
But I can't believe you.
You can't fucking.
Mary, you're bigger than that.
I can't believe you.
Why you not do that?
Believe fucking you. I can't believe you. I can't believe fucking you.
Fucking TV.
I can't even talk to my fucking baby because you tell me black up.
Yeah, me that's to see my fucking picnic. That's about it.
Why you serious? You fucking serious?
Yeah, you serious to come make nice of my fucking house.
Christina tell me, where been to tell me, Christina, when you want to see her baby, because when you want to fuck her, you can see her, right?
Yeah, I saw and I fucking TV.
I never believe you, girl. I never believe you. I believe you now. I believe you now. Tell me, Betty, put it on Facebook too. Spend all your money, spend all your time, and wait for Tangana Tanga come up here fucking tell me. I so said so fucking done.
I said baby, what the fuck?
Why you wait till? Me and you got two issue.
You that one we pack you leave it a thing there down and me chase you, you know. And if I want to take the cars and I have no transportation and I can bring her to me if I have to move wrong, what is wrong with that?
So it's not everything.
Yeah. Yeah, me, I just say my baby. So me know what the fuck like she should play come make fucking nice and like a scenery.
You have to understand where they get it from. She, that she and she gone to this whole fucking lot of
But you, who is she to come make nice?
It's me.
Who the fuck is you come make nice at my house and nobody can come make nice? No fucking body. Nobody can come make nice.
What do
Only
you mean,
you
who the
come
fuck
make
is
nice.
me?
Just like what I say, nobody can come make no nice, yeah? Fuck.
Right now, sweetie.
From day one I tell like nobody come make nice, yeah? Never my brother, my sister. The fuck, if I had to sit down and I don't, so what do you want to be a bit, so what would I want?
Allow your dead mother to disrespect me because of your action.
How me allow anybody to disrespect you people that are
Christina text me, tell your man,
perspective.
bring me pick the money. And I was okay. The Christina
I never gone down out to the details. I just want me dress so I don't know
oh
what's
my
going
God,
on.
and I got a message in on my
Exactly, and the message was said, bring my baby money and my dress. That was it.
So what the fuck?
Nothing else. The message now said.
all the voice notes today, all the messages today. All.
You know,
Whatever. It doesn't matter.
Me don't want no knives. Me don't want no drama. Me don't want no problem.
It doesn't matter.
Me to the baby.
I don't know who have this conversation when next time because I go and fire in a few.
You can't tell nobody when they have no fucking conversation. They don't know it.
Well, babes, who they on the outside and who they on the inside, I could tell whoever whatever. Mary Beck, stop. I can't police. You take your police. Call police. Call police. Call police.
What serious fucking war happened? You calling the fucking police?
Mary Beck,
come out here.
I wouldn't make threats if I that you know. Not make threats to Tanga if I that you can. If anything happened to Tanga that you did call for. So then make threats if that if not make threats. Tanga call police. Call the police. That's the only way she going fire. That's the only way she going fire.
Call the police.
Yeah, my baby, yeah. So take your time. How you the broke? Take your time. How you the broke? My baby, yeah.
Come out here.
Yeah, let's move.
And that's what cut my picnic again.
No, I don't think I give a fuck about police. You think I care about police? Can you call police to be where he out here?
No, you do not disrespect my house.
You fucking crazy bitch. Listen, I need a police officer back in the Martins area. Wait here? Brown Street. I need a police officer on Brown Street right now. They have a young lady with the house with pint, the broke up pint, and the matrix out here. Miss Mary get weird. Yes.
Now, to each and everyone out there, whether you're a man or a woman involved in a situation like that, what would you do to try and avoid a situation like that? Or what would you do to break up a situation like that, viewers and subscribers? See? Because I got the understanding that this is an ongoing feud between the girlfriend and the baby mother. And if something like this continues, somebody might get hurt. Me wrong or me right, my people? See? So, at that be look upon when time me get an understanding of this situation, viewers and subscribers. And it's not even a laughing matter. Even though you say me might make a chuckle or a smile, it's not really a laughing matter because situations like this sometimes ends very violent. You see me? I don't really want to explain how violent I'm talking about, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. You see? Yeah, so I'd like to hear your opinion about a situation like that, viewers and subscribers. I would like to hear what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like that, whether you're the baby mother or the girlfriend or the man who is said to be the baby father or the boyfriend for the girlfriend. You see me? I say, you understand what I mean? You understand? So, I just one of them things that you have, viewers and subscribers. I see. Anyways, someone brought my attention to the video. I looked at the video and I realized that the quality of the video is not so clean. So what I did, I took pieces of audios from the video and present them to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can at least hear what happened. All right? So let me know what I think about the situation, viewers and subscribers. Now, big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.